Hey guys, how you doing? This is T-minus today. My name is Dave, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I need to move my desk. So in my house, I have my workstation currently I use for work over here, but this is my bedroom. And this is my actual workstation that I need to move into my bedroom. So this is in the middle of the house, and there's no way to make it quieter while I'm doing work. I need to pull some cable, and I kind of want to just talk about what pulling cable entails and how I do it without specialty tools, really. Essentially just drop the cable down the wall and then try and fish it out. So gotta get a few things. So I have these one port wall plates that you can buy. And I also have a punch down, what they call these, communication circuit accessory. It's just the RJ45 connection that you use with the punch down tool. Ones that fit into this one port wall plate that I have. So I'm just gonna be running a Cat6 cable from over there to over here. And it's gonna go in this wall right here. So I will be back and we'll continue this conversation. All right, so I think we're about ready to get started. Just need to find the stud, so get your trusty stud finder. It would normally work. All right, I've got the wall cleared. I decided not to move my entire desk just in case this didn't work. There's the first stud, and there's another stud right there. Right in between the two studs. It's perfect. At this point, I just look at other studs, other stuff on the wall. What I'm gonna do is just gonna line it up with the tape, hold it on the wall like this, and then drill some holes. Got it. So now we gotta fish out the cable and hopefully it's there. All right, got the hole, it's cut, looking great. Problem is I don't see a cable like at all. I don't really have a way to fish upwards. So I'm gonna try and, I think I'm in the right spot. I'm gonna go back up into the attic, stole my daughter's flashlight. I would highly recommend a headlamp doing this, but I currently don't have one, so just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna go back up in the attic and see if I can't fish it down one more time. All right, I'm up in the attic. It's pretty impossible to see just about anything up here. Anyway, so I could see light, so I dropped it down one more time. It tends to get stuck like halfway down if you don't have anything weighted on it. So I just tried to drop it down as freely as I could. We'll go downstairs one more time and take a look. I'm just super cramped in here. There's only about 2 feet of space where I'm at the moment, and we'll see if it works. I hope it works. Please work. Stick my hand in there, feel it around. Oh, and guess what? Got a cable. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll just do a time lapse and I'll just throw everything on here and kind of wrap it up when I clip it in. So got everything in. You want to make sure that you either have the cable just back inside the wall or it goes through the piece you're putting in, because you know that's the intention. You don't want it sticking out the other side, obviously. Throw the faceplate on, screw it in, and you're done. And that, my friends, is how I installed a Cat6 between 2 locations in my house. I'm gonna go ahead and move that sucker over here. The problem is I have to take everything apart and take the legs off of it, because this is a 29.5-inch door and that's a 30-inch desk. So I'm gonna do that and I'll hit you up when I'm done. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you liked it. We're in the new location. Here we're going to have more opportunity to make more videos and do more content and just have a better time. It's also a better work from home office for me, so I'm pretty excited about that. So thank you, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.